Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Cheerlux and preparing the room so you get usable image immediately. Plug the power adapter into the projector and the wall outlet, then press the power button on the unit or remote. Once done, position the projector 5 to 3 meters from the screen and level it so the picture won't need extreme keystone correction. Make sure your source device is on and an HDMI or USB-C cable is plugged in, because you're about to select the input and confirm the feed. You now connect and configure the image so it looks sharp and aligned. Plug the HDMI or USB-C cable into the projector input and the source device, then use the remote to pick the matching input. Once the signal appears, adjust focus and zoom rings until the image is clear, and use keystone corrections sparingly so proportions stay correct. Next, set the projector's resolution to match your source, commonly 1920 by 1080. Because you finish by verifying sound and wireless features so the setup is reliable for use. Play a short clip to confirm video and audio. If sound is missing, switch the projector audio output to external or connect speakers to your source. If you need wireless casting, enable the projector's Wi-Fi mode and follow prompts to mirror your device, entering the PIN when shown. If anything goes wrong, power cycle, swap the cable, or switch your source to duplicate mode. Those quick checks resolve most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.